Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Cunningham, and I'm kind of like frequently uploading more and more like as the days go by, because I'm just like trying to figure out what to do with my videos, and like it's just so crazy because I keep uploading more and I get more views, and I want to reach my maximum goal of getting so many views and all that fun stuff. So today's video is going to be a fun little video. I am home by myself. My mom went to a Christmas party and I'm deciding to play around with her makeup. I don't do makeup. I've never done crazy makeup. I've never done like makeup by myself. So I had to change because I got super hot and I had to find my mom's huge bag of makeup. This is literally all of her stuff. And you ever, like when you were little, like you were a little girl, you always wanted to play with your mom's makeup and all that stuff? I want to do this now and it's gonna be super exciting. I look so tired. I don't know why, but it's fine. We're gonna get through this video with my vodka. Just kidding, it's not vodka. Maybe it is. I'm gonna put this in the corner so it's not like right in my camera view. And then I have this mirror that's right here. Hey, there I am, and I'm just gonna be looking at it and then like looking at you guys so you can see everything. And I just want to make sure that I have like a good, like you guys have a good view of everything, because yeah, my hair is super crazy, so I'm gonna put it like behind my head. So we're gonna open it up, and I really like when I tell you guys I have no idea what I'm doing. Like I have no idea what I'm doing. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Whatever this is, natural eyes. I've never used that. I don't know if anybody else uses that, but that's so pretty. So I do know that you can start by putting like primer and all that fun stuff on your face. I don't really know if I'm gonna do that, but I guess we can just go as we go. Oh, here's primer. Okay, so restart. We're starting with the Too Faced Primed and Coreless Primer. That is what that looks like. Pretty blush pink bottle. And I believe they tell you to put this on your face right before you put on your makeup. So that's what that looks like. Sorry, it's not focusing, but that's that. And I'm gonna put a little bit on my hand. Turn you. This is so unorganized and I apologize completely. Okay. This isn't even my skin tone, but like whatever. It's fine. Now that the primer is on, we're going to see what else we can find. And what is this? She uses Fenty Beauty. Oh my gosh, mom. It's just like to touch up your face, I guess. This is like that step that you, what is it called? Concealer, I think. When you go like this. I don't know. I don't even know when you're supposed to use any of that stuff. But my mom will probably kill me when she finds out. But that's what that looks like, that brush. That's cute. For my eyeshadow, like I said, I'm using this chocolate bar, and this is what the inside looks like. Fun for everyone. And what am I feeling? Let's do shade Creme Brulee one. This video is so like annoying already. Like already it's so annoying. And that's just gonna be like on the crease, I guess. And then I'm gonna do one like above. I want it to be a little bit noticeable. Hello. It's gonna be hard for you guys to like see actually, but like I promise that like it'll all work out. I just zoomed in a little bit so you guys can see what I'm doing. And sorry for like the faces that I make because I don't do this often, and you guys know, as I said before, that I don't do this often, so I don't really know what to talk about either, because what do you talk about in these things? Then I'm going in with Champagne Truffle on my top area, which I don't even know what that's called, but we're calling it the top area. And my dogs are out and I don't know, I hope they behave. They don't know what to do with their lives. They're just running around. Wow, Liz. Yeah, when I tell you guys I have no idea what I'm doing, I really mean it, because I don't. Alright, so that is what that looks like so far with that eye. And it's not like terrible, it's just like not used to it. And I might speed up this video, I don't know. But what did I have again? Oh, creme brulee. Not even drunk yet. I really need to get my eyebrows done, but it's fine. Oh, they're just playing. Okay. Glad you guys are having fun. Somebody needs to do it. Oh my god, this looks terrible in the viewfinder, and I'm so nervous because I have no idea what the hell I'm doing or who I think I am doing this. So yeah, I'm getting my brother from the airport tonight. Oh my god, I look so crazy. I'm getting my little brother from the airport tonight. He's coming home from his Marines station, and it's crazy because you're not always guaranteed like to come home, which is really awesome because he gets to come home, and it's so exciting. Oh my god, I'm scared. Like, I have no idea what I'm doing. It doesn't look that bad like in my mirror, but in the viewfinder, like, you guys are probably scared and you're probably gonna click out of the video, but will work. I'm just gonna like literally like go for it, you know what I mean? Oh my god. Okay, why can you like really see? I don't like that crease thingy. What is that called? This color is amaretto. I'm going in with the crease. The crease thingy, like people put their different like eyeshadows and stuff there, and it's like kind of weird to me. Like, it kind of scares me a little bit because I'm just like, it's weird. It's like your eyeball ends right there. I don't know. Now that's done. It doesn't even look like I did anything crazy, but I kind of did. So we're gonna just be done with that. I have this white chocolate bar. I don't know what is in here. Nothing that we need to put on. That's for absolute sure. So I might have to use like some of my own makeup because like that usually helps when I use my own. She's Sephora. Does Sephora use their products on animals? I don't know. One second. Okay, I just grabbed my own makeup bag. I look so bad in my mirror too. Like, this is just scary. Like, I just don't do this kind of stuff ever. I'm like, hi, who do I think I am? I use the same Almay concealer that I always use. I don't know if this is supposed to be going in a specific order, guys, so please don't kill me, but we're just doing this for fun. Like, this is like my time to shine, so that's what I'm doing. I am shining. Oh my god, I look crazy in the viewfinder. Ah! I don't know what this is, but we're just gonna put it on my face. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Hey there. Oh wow, nice, Alyssa. God, I suck. Is this what I get for like not doing makeup correctly or just not ever doing it at all? I don't freaking know. And I don't know if this brush is actually made for this, but today it is. This is not normal at all. Like, whatsoever. This is not normal. Okay, I see you in the viewfinder. Whoa, why is that like so brown on my cheek? I have no idea what's going on. This is why I believe in the most like I believe in being natural, because I can't do makeup. Like, that's literally the reason why I don't do it, because I can't. Why would I do it if I don't know how? I've tried to watch I try to watch concealers. I try to watch videos of people doing their makeup, and then there's me, and I'm just like, yeah, I have no idea how to do this or what I'm doing or anything. Like, I'm looking at myself and I look crazy. Like, I never do this. And how many times are you gonna say that, Alyssa? Because I don't care. This is just the Almay Instant Lift Brow Pencil in the color Auburn. And I don't even have like burgundy auburn hair. I just like kind of tint them out so that they get like a little bit tinted. I'm just having fun, guys. It's like literally so fun. I would totally be drinking right now, but I have to get my brother, so that's not happening. Do you guys think I'm annoying yet? Because I think I'm annoying right now. Oh my god. Then I'm going to, do you do concealer? What is that? What is this? Yeah, do you do concealer first before bronzer or bronzer after? Now this is my favorite part because, first of all, I know this isn't my skin tone, but like, hey, because I love that people like do this crazy stuff. So here we go. I'm scared because I do not know what the hell I'm doing whatsoever. There's no Kim Kardashian knows what she's doing, so I'm just kind of like, hey everybody, let's get it on. Look at that. I just make a little V. People put them on their chin. How do I look so far? Do you use, you need like a thingy right here. Okay, guys, I don't know if this is right. Please correct me if I'm wrong, please. Like, do you smear it? I don't know. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. This is definitely not right. And I'm like pulling on my face, so I know it's not right. Like, I know that people put it on their nose so that their nose can be contoured, but like does it make it, like, does it actually make it skinnier or what? I don't know. I'm putting so much makeup on my face. I cannot believe I'm doing this right now. Like, what are you doing? What are you doing? It doesn't look that bad though on camera. Oh, by the way, guys, I can talk in a British accent very, very well. And maybe I'm gonna do that for the rest of this video. because my friends always tell me that I have a good one, and they're like, do it, do it, do it. And I'm like, okay, like maybe I will, but then I get nervous under pressure because then everyone's like, do it, Alyssa, do it, since you're so good at it. So I have to like be in the groove to do it. But like, literally, I think I am pretty good at it. I just don't think that a lot of people want me to talk like this because they think it's annoying. And I don't know how, I'm not sure how the other people react to Americans talking like them, if they're from Britain or London, United Kingdom, all those places. I don't know how they feel about it. I'm not trying to impersonate you or try to be you. I just think I'm so good at it, and I'm not really doing anything with my mouth any differently. I just kind of talk. I just kind of talk like this, and it works. So it's just like simple as that. I don't know what else to say. So yes, I used the Fenty concealer, if anybody was wondering. That's what I used. That was my mom's, and that's that part. So now I'm going to do eyeliner. This is by Sephora. Let's see, Classic Line Eyeliner Feature 24-hour Felt Liner. So this is liquid, and it looks like that. I love that it looks like that because the brush is super thin and like easy to work with. So I'm going to use this and put it on, and the liquid I feel like kind of goes across your eyelid a little bit easier than the pencil, and the pencil's so rough on it that it like makes it red, and I don't want any of that right now. So here we go. I was actually supposed to go to a Christmas party, but I can't. I have to get my brother. So okay, and for the other side, oh, I look crazy, to be honest. You guys are gonna be like, listen, never do that again by yourself, and I'm gonna listen to you. You guys are basically going to give me the okay or not okay, and then from there I'll know. Okay? Sounds like a plan. Awesome. But this eyeliner works very well. I love it. It's so pretty. And the only problem with this is that you don't want them to be uneven. So you kind of keep going back over until it looks like the other one, which gets annoying too. But it doesn't really matter. It's fine. So that's the eyeliner. We're putting that back in there because it's not mine. And everything else out here is mine. And then I'm going to take all this off, and it's going to be like a waste of time. So, fun times for everyone. So now I'm going to do mascara. That is the last step here. Oh my god, it looks so bad. My hair, my forehead, it looks so big. I don't know why that either, but whatever. I just use this from Walmart or Amazon. You can get it anywhere, really. I look crazy. I'm never doing this again. Like, how do you know it's on there? And like, it's so weird that it doesn't really like work the way you want it to. Like, it still looks like there's a line there, and we don't want that, but you can tell that it's on. We're just doing this for fun. I don't know anything anymore, for real. Okay, I'm using 2 mascaras, and I don't like this one bit. I'm already over it. I just want to be done because this is just not me, and it's not who I am. As you guys can see from the thumbnail, I tried to remake myself, and I took a bomb picture, so I mean, it literally works, like whatever. And that completes the look. Literally. Well, not really, because oh my, it looks so bad. Actually, it doesn't look that bad, but I don't do makeup, so it's just like, So like, here it is close up, if you guys can see. Nothing super crazy, just normal. And I'm going to put this bright pink stuff on. This is my mom's too. And why not just go for the bright look? I'm gonna look like I'm from like the 70s, I bet you. Okay, that's enough because I don't want it looking freaking crazy. So I would call this a holiday look, like what you would do for the holidays or whatever you want, because you can literally do this anywhere. And it's just, I had fun. Like I said before, it's definitely not me. I can't wait to take this all off. But this is the first time I've ever done makeup by myself, and I'm like, not to be conceited or anything, but I'm like staring at myself, and it's just so weird that like I did that, because I never do this by myself, and it's kind of like an accomplishment, if you will, because it's a little different. So it was fun to record. that's the end of this video. I don't know what else to say. But yeah, guys, I mean, you could tell from the title, and if you watch the entire video, I've never done this before, like I keep saying, and it's just a different experience. It's super fun. For those of you who haven't done it or like want to try it out, like I would just do it, like shoot your shot. The only thing that could go wrong is that it looks bad, but like, how would anybody really know that if like they don't know who you are or like what you look like with it if you never wear it anyway, right? So I probably wouldn't do this again, this color, but whatever, it's fine. Anyway, thank you guys for tuning into this video today, and let me know if you guys want to see anything else on my hair, makeup, nails, anything, tutorials, any fun things like that, and I will do it. See you guys in my next video. Bye guys.